What's up, y'all? It's your girl Vibes, and today we are doing a wig retouch. This is a frontal wig. I made this wig for her about 2 summers ago, and I actually did a $1 wig raffle, and she was my winner, and the wig is still standing till today. So the first thing I did, I went ahead and just pulled the wig all the way back, cleaned off the glue and everything. I always comb the edges back first before I do anything and oil the scalp. And I'm going to go ahead and put the glue on there, spread it out, Of course, you want to make sure it's all even in a thin layer so that way it can dry super fast. Once you spread all the glue out over her entire forehead, you're going to go ahead and blow dry it. And once you start blow drying the glue, you'll know once the glue is ready for the next layer, once it turns clear. You want it to be as clear as possible. Now, I'm not saying it might not be a little white over by the ear area, but you just want to make sure you make it as clear as possible, as you can see. Okay, let's go. Okay, now I'm sure y'all know what time it is. It's time to pull that lace on. You're going to pull it from the back. And when you put it down in the glue, you want to make sure your client's head is real stiff like a statue. And you want to make sure when you're pulling the lace down, they're also pulling back. So that way it is not bulky at all. So I always tell my clients to pull back and hold your head like a statue. Pull back how that roller coaster pull you back. So that way I can make sure your wig is bust down. Or else. So I always start with the middle. Once I do the middle, I do one side. Once I got the other side secure, I go ahead and do the other side. And then when you do that, once you got the wig all the way down, I like to go back in with my comb and like to, rub the comb back and forth. That just helps it secure into the glue. Alright, I'm doing the exact same thing that I did to the other side to this side, so I'm not going to explain that again. Once I'm done doing this, I'm going to go ahead and start pressing the hair out. I did not show y'all all my chemicals that I used in the video. If you want to know all that, you need to get a little more personal with me and go follow me on Instagram at She Is Vibes. My hair page is Touch Styles Wigs with a Z, not an S, and Touch Styles Collection. I'm also going to start doing classes and online tutorials and all that, so you will have plenty of time to learn what I do and do not do as far as with my chemicals. And now I'm just going to press out the hair, and I'm putting the strap around the edges just so I can make sure it's really melted and really secure. I always press the hair out first before I do any molding and styling. And the rest of this video is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm just styling and making it look good. This is a retouch and not a fresh install, which means this wig is used. And it's time to get it fresh and get it back popping. All right, now that I fixed up my last little pieces of lace, I'm going to go ahead and put that strap on her hair one more time. And she's just big chilling. And she did win this wig for $1. And my wig raffle, I do $1 wig raffles. It has been a while since I've done one. So make sure y'all tune in and follow me and keep up, because another one's coming pretty soon. It's about that time. So now I'm just about to play with what I just did a little bit, make it look a little bit softer. I don't like to do the soft baby hairs just because they don't last. That's something you do like for your birthday. But since this is an everyday style till it gets old, we are not going to make them too soft. I like to keep them molded so they'll last. And compared to what we started with, this is definitely popping. It's a retouch. Do not throw your wigs away once they get old, because it can be burned back to life. Especially if you come down to the Nap Bookie Girl Touch Styles. Okay, stop playing. Yeah.